Tonight we are gonna be making my quick and easy creamy chicken tetrazzini. This recipe is perfect for an easy weeknight dinner because it comes together so fast, served in a nice casserole dish, and it's so creamy and cheesy, you guys are going to fall in love. Let's get going. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take some pasta. I'm starting with linguine pasta, and I'm gonna take about 12 ounces of this pasta and cook it in some hot boiling water. Let's get that going. Okay, while that pasta is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and take this rotisserie chicken and shred it up. I just went to Costco and grabbed one of these bad boys, which makes dinner just a lot easier. I do, however, have an awesome recipe for shredded chicken in the crock pot that is on my website that I have linked to in the blog post, so make sure to check that out if you wanna do that. I just like doing this because it makes it go a lot quicker. So you're gonna need about 4 cups of shredded chicken breast for this recipe. All right, now that my chicken is shredded, I'm gonna set that aside and get to work on the creamy sauce that's gonna go into our chicken tetrazzini. So grab a large bowl and you're gonna combine 2 10-ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup. If you're not a fan of canned soup, I do have an alternative recipe in the blog post for making your own at home. Okay, the next thing we're gonna add is 2 cups, or about 16 ounces of sour cream. We are also going to add a half a cup of melted butter, a half a cup of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. All right, now I'm just gonna give this a stir until it's all nice and combined and thick and creamy. All right, and while our pasta is still cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and shred up about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Also, we're gonna need about a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley. All right, let's check on that pasta. I think we're just about ready. All right, now we're gonna add that freshly drained pasta right to our sauce, as well as our shredded chicken and that chopped parsley. I'm gonna save a little bit of the chopped parsley for later too, so. Now we're just gonna stir this all together, get it nice and combined. Meanwhile, make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, it smells so good. You can smell the garlic with the creamy mushrooms. Fantastic. So good. All right, I'm just gonna dump this into a 9x13 casserole dish that I have sprayed with some cooking spray. And I'm gonna get a spatula because I don't wanna lose any of that sauce. I'm just gonna take that mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese and we're gonna spread it evenly over the top, just like so. And then sprinkle that Parmesan cheese over the top. There you go, a little bit over there. Okay. Just gonna cover with some foil and then bake it. All right, so we're gonna bake for 30 minutes and then we're gonna remove the foil and continue baking an extra 10 minutes until it's nice and bubbly throughout. All right, and while that's baking, I am going to clean up here and get ready for dinner. Oh boy. Oh boy, you guys, it smells incredible in here. And remember that extra parsley I said to hold on to till the end? We're just gonna give this a quick little garnish. This is still piping hot. We're gonna eat this for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna just take a quick little taste test for you guys. I know it's gonna be delicious, but I just want you to see how nice and creamy this is and cheesy. Okay, I'm gonna blow up my mouth here. Mmm. 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 That is so delicious. It's so creamy. I got a little bit of chicken and that creamy mushroom sauce in each bite with that cheese on top. Mwah. It is delicious. You guys, I cannot wait for you to try this recipe. Make sure to head to iwashyouDry.com to grab this easy chicken tetrazzini recipe and more easy recipes like this, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.